This is my second live today. Got some beard mail. Stuff in from Bearded Coast, another Black Friday order. And then this from Copper John's is also a Black Friday order. Bluegrass, Copper John's in the house. Uh-oh. Here we go, let's go. Scoot a little to your left and block that light. Oh, right here? There we go. I think that's a little to my left. Right there. Alright, so we got Copper John's in the chat. Unboxing. Yes, sir. In the building. Can you get this open right now? Very excited about this. I had a feeling this week was going to be a significant amount of beard mail. Awesome stuff, yes sir. Alright, let's see. We got. Alright, cool. There's the note from Tyson, Copper John's. The Copper John fish hook. And if you haven't already, I do have an episode of the Bearded Truth long form discussions with Tyson. One of the early episodes. I think he was the second owner that I had on. Let's go. Another sticker with the another sticker for my water bottle. Gonna be adding Bearded Coast and Copper John's to my water bottle. This one right here. Super fire. And then next. Just ordered. Hey, ooh, wait a minute. Oh, hold up now. Yeah, so I initially just ordered the butter, but look at that. Tyson sent the oil as well. Let's go. Thanks for doing that, Tyson. Really appreciate that. Oh, I'm excited about this. Let's go. Shout out Tyson. Shout out Tyson for hooking it up with an extra. First time ordering from Copper John's. Oh! Whoa! Facts, Ken. Tyson is the man. Bruh! I like this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is the Backwoods coffee scent. Definitely smell the coffee, but it's very like sweet, kind of caramelly, I would say. Oh. Wow. Yeah, so there's the ingredients. Check them out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, vanilla latte with an extra shot of espresso. Yep, I would say that. Yeah, 100%. And then we got the famous Copper John's beard butter. This is what life is for. Yeah, it's definitely 100% accurate. Copper, you're making me thirsty. Ian, welcome. Buggy's 1K. Right. This scent, bro. I cannot wait to rock this in beard. Holy smokes. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm doing great. I've gotten the second beard mail unboxing that I've done today. Got Bearded Coast earlier. Salty vibes. Holy. Yeah, no problem. I like this container. 2 ounce beard butter. Famous beard butter from Copper John's. Man, this scent is amazing. Dude. yeah, if you haven't already, jump on this. Wow. Happy days. Salty Vibes is great. Facts. It really is. Oh, man, this is amazing. I've gotten a couple of coffee scents from Artie's, man, but this takes the cake for sure. Is my favorite coffee scent. Like, 100%. Yeah, so got some goodies from Copper John's. Ordered this Backwoods coffee beard butter, and Tyson threw in the oil as well. Really excited to check these out. Freaking insane scent, like absolutely killer. You can even smell it through the bottle without it even being open. Truly grateful. Yeah, 100%. Good product is good product. Also got this awesome sticker from Copper John's. Add that to the water bottle. Yeah, so sticker, oil, and butter from Copper John's. Freaking amazing. So I'll be testing these out, reviewing them in the next little while. Thanks everybody for watching, either live or on YouTube, because this will be on YouTube. In case you miss it live. Appreciate it. Yeah, absolutely. I'll be doing some banger product photos soon, posting those up on Instagram. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. Again, thanks to Tyson for also sending out this oil. I am excited about this. Yep. Oh yeah, bro. You're out in the UK, so it'll take a decent amount of time to get there, but it's freaking worth it. Like, so good, man. Very exciting. So, double beard meal today. Again, yeah. Major thanks to Tyson, Copper John's. Go check him out. Lots of great Instagram content, great products. Yeah, and there's a ton of discount codes floating out there if you want to check them out. I used CBreezy's code, CBreezy15. Saved me $5. Yeah, so lots of discount codes floating out there. Show some creators some love, show Tyson and Copper John some love. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and do all those good things. Yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in live. Back more soon. Peace out.